Answer honestly with yes or no to the following questions. Let's begin with the first question. Do you have a phone? Yes or no? Do you have an internet connection? Yes or no? Do you have 5 to 10 minutes each day to spend on this app? If you answered no to any of these questions, please leave this video because you will not be able to make any money. If you answered yes to all of them, great! Then this video is for you. Not only can you earn more than $8,000, but you can also continue to earn money on autopilot and have some income to rely on. Yes, you can make a lot of money just by using your phone. You can be laying in your bed listening to your favorite music and still do it. You may be in a restaurant having a great time and still do it. You can do it from anywhere in your beautiful home or anywhere in the world. I will show you all of the steps that you need to do. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. So the app that we'll be using is available for both iOS and Android. And no matter where you're coming from, you can use it and you might have heard of it. So don't click out because don't worry, it's not what you think, and I'll show you how you can literally spend less than 5 minutes a day on this app on your phone and still make a significant amount of money. So pay attention because the app we'll be using is called TikTok. Don't worry, you won't have to show your face because I know a lot of you guys are camera shy, so don't worry about that. This is really simple and literally, no matter where you've used this app before or not, you can still do it, even if it's your first day online. So first, what is TikTok? For those of you who don't know, TikTok is a free social media app that allows you to view, make, and share short films from your phone. It's still a new and fresh app, but it only has about the same number of monthly active users as Instagram, which is over 1 billion active users. This means there's a lot of potential here, and while it's still on you, it's really easy and simple to get established. Even as a complete beginner. Sometimes less than 10 different videos are all you need to go super viral and make an absolute killing with the method we'll be using in this video. And those videos literally need to be less than 10 seconds long. So if you can just film a couple of 10-second videos from your phone, don't worry, you don't have to show your face. Well, then you can make a lot more than $8,000. And let me just show you some examples of people who are doing this successfully in TikTok. You know, everyday people like me and you recently started as complete beginners with 0 followers, but they're not using TikTok. So they're basically missing a lot of money on the table because they didn't see this video. So keep watching and you'll be one step ahead of them. Now here's an example. This account right here is posting films that are less than 10 seconds long. Look at this. They actually have less than 20 videos that are less than 10 seconds long. This account just started a few weeks ago. And if they already have millions of views, that's what I was talking about. You don't need to be an expert to do this. And I just found this randomly. As you can see, it's nothing special. They're not doing something impossible or whatsoever, and she started from 0 a few weeks back. They're probably not making any money. There is even one simple thing that they forgot that could make them a lot more than $8,000. So you really want to pay close attention, and I'll show you how you need to do this. How do you set it up so you don't make the same mistake as these guys made? Anyways, what exactly are these accounts doing? Well, they just record short videos in their kitchen showing people what they cook, and that's it. It doesn't get any easier than that, and don't worry, you don't have to record yourself in the kitchen like they do. If you don't want to, you can literally film whatever you want. Whatever you have around the house or outside, whatever you're passionate about, and you don't even have to show your face or talk. If you think that's powerful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell. Alright? It's really simple and easy to use, but you must do something that I'm going to share with you because they will actually make you money. So you must use this website from which you can make money simply by posting random TikTok videos. You can see that they support different payment methods and get paid either by a bank transfer, PayPal, web money, or simply coupons, but I prefer PayPal. Anyway, back to the video, here's another example. This girl is simply uploading some short videos of her house. Maybe she's passionate about doing house chores. Who knows? She started really recently, she's already receiving millions of views, but she didn't watch this video. As you can see, she's losing a lot of money and you'll see why. Here's another one. These guys share different tech-related videos. They film some gadgets and they could be making tens of thousands of dollars. So the point is that you can film anything you're passionate about. For example, if you enjoy fishing, make 10 different 5 to 10 second simple videos while fishing. They don't have to be professional or anything. Simply press the record button on your phone and film something for 5 to 10 seconds and you have the potential to make a lot of money online. I don't think it can get any simpler than that. Again, you don't have to show your face. You don't have to talk if you don't want to. You don't have to edit, of course. You don't have to be an expert because you can see everyday people doing this. You don't need to be special and you don't have to invest any money at all, which is really cool, so you can start with $0. But you need to take action fast as long as TikTok is still new and fresh, so you can take advantage to grow fast. The coolest part is that you can just produce 20 extremely easy 10-second videos that will stay on TikTok. Thus, all of your effort that you have done in less than 20 minutes will stay on TikTok forever, generating you money in passive revenue. How cool is that? There's literally no limit and no rules, which I really like about this strategy. Here comes the most important and exciting part. How do you make tens of thousands of dollars just by filming short videos with your phone? Let's see how we can make money. And here's how. Once you have installed the TikTok app on your smartphone device, you can sign up for free, create an account, and then in your bio of that profile, just like on Instagram, you can put some link. So you only need to put one simple link in your bio and start posting simple 5 to 10 second long videos. And TikTok will get you traffic and you will make money without having any products yourself or doing anything at all. I mean, all you have to do is post those 5 to 10 second long videos, but how do you do that? Well, all you have to do is go to gearbest.com, which is a platform similar to Amazon where you can buy and sell physical products. They have all categories, but don't worry, you don't have to sell your products or whatever. But what you need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and just find and click on this where it says Associate Program. That will take you over to this page where you can see that this has unlimited earning potential, and the reason I prefer this affiliate program over Amazon Associates is that this one gives you up to 50% commissions, which means if you refer someone to this platform using your unique link and they spend, for instance, $1,000 on those products, you will make up to $500 for free just by referring them here. Just one single person on TikTok. So you will simply join by clicking on the button that says Join Now. Obviously, you will grab your affiliate link for some specific product and paste it in your bio. So if we go over to the official homepage, you will be able to see thousands of products. If you post videos from your kitchen, you can grab some products like toasters or knife collections or something similar and put them in your TikTok bio. And all the people watching your videos who are most likely interested in that niche, which in this case is cooking, you can click on your link and you will make up to 50% commission on whatever product they buy. So if you make garden videos, like something from the garden category, if you make car videos, include a car-related product in your bio, and so on and so forth. There are all different categories and all different niches, and this literally has unlimited earning potential. So if you have a little more time to put into this, you can even build multiple pages in multiple niches. Record different videos, whether you use to publish them on TikTok, have different products in your bio, all of them can become your passive income machine, making you commissions on autopilot. To recap this video, simply record whatever you like that may be in a category and post affiliate links from GearBest, taking them to a related product. So if your page is about fishing, just put a fishing product affiliate link in your bio and that's it. You don't have to handle shipping or customer support. All you have to do is drive traffic by posting different TikTok videos all the time and while you're waiting for your first sale. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.